Welcome back guys to another video, and in today's video we'll understand how to integrate Bash terminal with Windows in VS Code. So first of all, head towards your Windows features turn on and turn on virtual machine platform and Windows subsystem for Linux option. Now go to the PowerShell and type this command. Now wait for the command to execute, and after once it's executed out, you have to simply go towards your Windows Store. Now in Windows Store, download your specific Linux environment of your choice. There's a bunch of them. There's Debian, Ubuntu, OpenSUSE, anything to choose from. Wait for the download to complete. Once this is complete, now click on install, launch, and wait for installation to take place. Now, as soon as the installation is complete, you will see some options for configuration. Click next or configure the way what it asks you to do with it, like entering the password for the root user, setting up the new account, etc. So finish this option as per your preferences. Now I will set it up, all the options which is ask me to do. I'll click on OK. Now I will enter the password here. I'll click on next and I'll click yes. Now I'll finish this thing up. Now here I will check whether I've installed it correctly by typing who am I and I'm root. Now head towards your VS Code and using control comma, and then in settings search for terminal, integrated terminal. And in integrated terminal settings.json file, you have to go towards your terminal integrated shell windows. Now for this integrated option here, you search for the default shell and select the WSL1. By default, the WSL is a native Linux shell. Now we will install a custom shell that we just installed, that is OpenSUSE. Now in order to do this thing, what you have to do is you have to paste in a specific path that I'll provide to you in the links down below. Now paste this path. This path is for your executable file where your custom Linux shell is located that you installed. Now I will click on launch integrated terminal again, and you will see this time it has changed completely, which is a uname-a parameter. And now we have successfully installed our OpenSUSE terminal in VS Code and integrated it. Thank you so much for watching it.